Why do we heat the glass, Kelly? Why do we heat the glass? Why do we heat the glass?
Oh, so that we can, it lights easier.
That's right.
And for the sugar to melt.
Because if you can't light it without heating the glass.
I agree.
It's really hard. This is the extra touch, right? You put the orange slicer on it, and this also makes it sticky, right? Just like salt in the glass for a margarita, right? Brandy. Light it on fire. This is when the fun begins. This is when the magic happens. Right? This is when the magic happens. You wait for the sugar to bubble. It turns it into a simple caramel. See how it's bubbling now? You don't want to burn it though, so don't do too much. We'll put out the fire too. But didn't you burn all the alcohol off? They say. Well, there's a little more alcohol. Remember when we actually had like real whipping cream with a blender and everything? Yeah, those days are gone.
Mike Whalen used to cheat and shake the
He used to shake it,
container,
and
right?
actually it works.
It does.
It does work.
I do it
You
at
really
home.
gotta shake it. It's just very, very not conducive to presentation. Let's put it that way. Especially when there's air in here. That is a Spanish coffee.
That is my favorite. Thank you, Mr. Patrick.
Thank you.